Everybody, let me know you're there. Say hi in the comments. We'll get started in a few moments. Hi, Nick. Nicholas, my trusty helper, will be helping us tonight. Hi, Nikki. You made it on. Hi, Doreen. Hi, Lynn. Hi, Grace. Happy holidays, everybody. Hi, Amy. Hi, Catherine. You're at work, Nikki, still? It feels like it's a Saturday night. Hi, Jill. Hi, Tracy. Hey ho. Hi, Heather. Karen. Hi, Karen. So nice to see you the other day. All right, I'm going to get started and we'll have everybody else join us. It's finally started snowing. It's so excited. I know. We're all looking forward to a foot of snow. It's the first one of the season. Brianna, hi. Hi, Brianna. Hi, Donna. I know I'm excited. I'm hoping there's enough that we're all closed tomorrow and get to stay home and hang out on the couch and watch Netflix. Thank you, Amy. Alexa, yo. I thought, what a better idea. We're going to lose like today pretty much because everybody was preparing for the storm, and then tomorrow we'll all be cleaning up from the storm. What better way to have a little Facebook Live sale in case any of you still need to get some holiday gifts. So I'm going to get started. Turn down my Christmas music. If you have any questions, Nicholas is on here. Hi, Anna. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah to everybody. And let's get started. So we have this animal print cardigan. That is a great piece because it's one size. So it's just a big overthrow piece. Dolman sleeve. Really, really soft. Plush and soft and fuzzy. These are one size. So that's item number 1. It's 58. It's our animal print cardi. One size. Great piece if you just like to have something to throw over, or you want to get it for an aunt or your mother or sister. This is the next piece. It's basically the same cardigan and just a basic army color. So not as plush, still very, very soft. Just a teeny bit lighter, but basically the same shape and one size. That's number 2, 48. It's our army cardi, one size. I'm going to breeze through this way, you guys. Hi, Auntie Betty. Hi, Christine. Hi, Heather. If you guys want to watch back after too, this has been a very, very big seller in the store. This is our off-the-shoulder cream sweater. This thing is super duper soft. Some of you already have this, and so you can wear it just as a slight cowl there, but it also pulls. You can wear it off one shoulder, or you can wear it off both shoulders. The line of this is a little bit longer, which is nice because you can either ruche it up a little bit or pull it down to cover if you'd like. So that's our cream. That comes small, medium, and large. That's our off the shoulder top, number 3. Small, medium, large. If you guys haven't, thanks. Thanks, Alessia. So nice to see you. If you like something, you comment the number and the size that you want and the color, and you comment sold, and we'll write you down for that. We'll get in touch with a payable invoice. Shipping right now, there's no ground shipping at this point. We've missed the deadline. So if you do need something shipped, it's expedited, but you'll just be charged whatever the exact cost of the expedited is, and we can work that out for you if you need to. If not, anything can be picked up at the store. We'll be posting our holiday hours later in the comments. This top, number 4, is the same top that I just showed you, but in black. So this we just got in the other day. Same exact sweater in black. Super, super soft. Like you don't want to take it off. You can wear it as a cowl, or you can wear it off the shoulder, or you can wear it off one shoulder. These have been really, really great. Comes small, medium, and large. To go with that, I brought one of our best-selling jeans for the season is our Carpenter denim. These have been really great. They're super, super stretchy. They're not long. They come just to the top of the ankle, which is great. The flat back pockets. So this is our Carpenter denim, number 5, 68. They're available 24 to 31. You guys, if you're buying anything tonight, yes, April has that one. If you're buying anything tonight, it's 10% off for our Facebook Live sales. Always is 10% off new merchandise. These are great. We have them in all sizes and super stretchy. Have been a big seller all season long. Another good piece for us has been our piece pullover that we designed for the store at the start of everything at the beginning of the year. Give us a little reminder. Item number 658. It's our piece. So look at that. This is a lighter weight sort of sweatshirt pullover. Peace, love, unity, joy, faith, and kindness. I always sign off with a peace sign. I love it. So I'm so excited to be able to do these for this season. It's a wider neckline, really lightweight. We have these small to extra large. I want to say overall probably runs a slight bit small, so you might want to size up, but if you want it a little bit more fitted, take your correct size. Following that theme, we added for the winter, item number 7 is our piece hoodie in gray, $54, also available small through extra large. And that's just your traditional hoodie with the kangaroo pocket. This is such a great piece. You know, your super soft sweatshirt on the inside, hoodie. This is a size, so you can gauge. These are sort of more unisex sizes. This is a medium. It's nice. It comes down longer. You can wear it with your leggings. So that's a great piece. And then recently, literally just last week, we added this new one. Hi, Monica. Thank you. Hi, Marisol. We added a zip-up hoodie because people are asking for a zip-up rather than a pullover. So this is number 864. It's our piece zip-up. And this comes small through extra large as well. So this is the front. This is the back. Oh my God, I love this so much. So it's just the graphic, bigger. You can see pictures on Instagram of this. This one's a large. This also runs long, which is nice. We sold out of this. This is the only one I have, but I have a whole restock coming tomorrow. This sweatshirt, for any of you that bought it, is super duper soft. I mean, like butter. Really, really soft this one is. I told her when we wanted to do a zip-up sweatshirt, I wanted it dreamy, dreamy soft. And this is a great piece too. To go with that, we have in a new brand of denim, which we're really excited about. These are item number 9. There are Keaton Slim Straight, come in sizes 25 to 30. They're $118. Hi, Jewel. So look how great these are. They have the distress at the knees. You can roll them up. So I know this is wild. You know, we've had the boyfriend, and then we had the mom jean, and now we have the dad jean. So these are the dad jean. I've seen these on a couple people. They're super, super cool. Little distressing at the bottom. We don't normally do a ripped jean, but these were just too cool to resist. They're a button fly. They don't have any stretch in them, just the tiniest. They're just a cotton, and they will give when you wear them. These are the kind of jeans you just have for forever, and they wear them beautifully. This sweater everybody got excited about. I think we posted it yesterday. Item number 10, $48 for a 3/4 sleeve sweater. This color is called Gucci. It comes small, medium, medium, large. This picture, if you look at the picture on Instagram, it's so beautiful. So this is kind of like, see how you can almost kind of see through it? It's a little bit of a lighter yarn, and you would just wear a cami underneath it. But it's absolutely beautiful. This color, it's kind of hard on the monitor. It's much richer in person, like chestnut. With that color, and then this color, which I literally have one piece in. This is plum, and actually it almost looks blue on the monitor. But this color is so pretty in person. Please head over to Instagram if you're on and you want to see this better representation of this color. But this sold out. I have one left in medium large. I am reordering it, so if you want a small medium, or multiple people order it, I am getting more. It's a great piece. Beautiful color. Okay, we have item number 12. Yep, our button down skinny 64. These just came in. They come size 2 to 10. So 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. They have a good amount of stretch in them. And they're just a button down, dark denim skinny. Just like a classic skinny. I know some of your husbands are still shopping, or you guys are shopping for yourself and giving it to yourself from your husband. So that's why I kind of want to show a range of outfits. This was a new sweater that just came in too. It's a rib sweater. It's item number 13. It's $48. It also comes small, medium, medium, large. Look how pretty that is. It's kind of got that round bottom. There's really pretty rib detailing on the sleeve. It's really it's more like a pearl gray in person. This for size-wise is the small medium, so you can gauge it. And I just thought this went really pretty with the jeans. You guys can sort of like see that. Just went really pretty with the jeans. Moving on, this has been a bestseller. We're stocked it a bunch. Item number 14 is $48. It's called our Heather Ginger V-neck sweater. It also comes small, medium, medium, large. This is flown out of the store. I mean, almost everybody that comes in picks one up and adds it to their pile. So it's really again, it's warm in color. It's kind of hard on the monitor, but a V-neck. It's got this seam that goes down the front. It's a little longer in the back, a little tiny shorter, but it's pretty long line. I mean, I'm tall, and it comes almost to the, just before the top of my knee. So really, you can wear this with a skinny jean, you can wear this with leggings, you could even wear this with a cropped roll-up boyfriend. Great, great piece. So I have it in this color. I have another color coming. Well, I think it's maybe like a blue. And then there's another color from this company coming on Friday that has a round sort of boat neck and a curved hem on the bottom. This sweater I love. I don't know why I always love one size pieces. It makes it so easy. It's item number 15. It's $48. This is an oyster pink. And these come one size. So it's a really nice, just pretty simple. It's got pretty kind of melange texture here. Just sort of like a slouch turtle. And then I wanted to show it with these really pretty leggings. These corduroy knit leggings are 48. Now, item number 16, they come small, medium, large. Ordered, sold, and reordered because they've been so great. So it's got nice detail. It's got little grommets. Kind of like the, like the Spanx leggings. They don't hold you in like that, but they do hold you in, but they're not like that kind of material, but they're the same idea. They kind of look like a pant, but feel like a legging. And these two pieces really go beautiful together as an outfit. So I wanted to show those two. And then our final piece of clothing, I have some accessories I'm following up with. Is it's been a best-selling item. Item number 17 is our sweater dress. I have medium and large left. This is $74. This has been a great piece too. So it's got kind of like black and gray dots in this gray cream. It's got the slouch turtle with two ties, and look, dress. It's got a banded red bottom. It's got a little bit of a slit. This is great. Same thing. You can wear it with skinny jeans, with little booties. You can wear it with leggings. You can also wear it with tights and high boots. I mean, it's definitely long enough to be a dress. So it's very versatile. This has been a really bestseller. I mean, I literally can't keep them in stock. So moving along, because it's the holiday, I'm also going to show some accessories that we have. Can I get the leggings and sweater in size medium? You sure can, Mary Caruso, my good friend who I miss so much and love. Hi to the girls. This is number 18. It's 34. It's our plaid scarf. I have it in two colors. So this one, this is on our website. You guys can see more pictures on our website. It's sort of like a square scarf. Square plaid, classic scarf. This one has cream and blues and the red in it, which is great. And what you do is you fold it into a point, okay? And the new way of wearing it is you take it and you put the point in front. And then I pull up my shirt, and you pull the sides around and tuck them under. And you sort of wear it like that, which is so great. I really love this scarf. Super, super soft. Great gift for anybody who loves scarves or gets cold and just wants to throw one around. I mean, totally can do it the regular way that you wear a scarf as well. You know, it's a perfect weight because it's not too heavy, but it's not too light. A little bit of fringe on the end. We have that color, which I'm calling the cream. And then we have the red and navy, which, come on. Somebody came in with a navy coat today and it was so pretty. And so same thing. Like, just love this color. How great. Jules, you would look good in this. Should get this scarf. Julie. Love this. Okay, 34. Great gift. 10% off for the Facebook Live tonight, guys. I got some new hats in today. This one I had, we sold out of it so quick. So it's our camel hat. It's 28 bucks. Camel hat with a little faux pom-pom there. Look how great that is. I'm a hat girl, so I love these. I think I just posted these today too. Great with the browns and green. It's like a true camo with a soft and fluffy faux pom at the top. And then these dreamy ones came in, which, you know, now my hair was looking so good, and now look from the hat. Guys, is this hat, which everybody's been so into tie-dye. Look how great this one is. Oh, I love this color. So these are a little bit stiffer, so it take a little while for it to soften up and sort of like slouch a little bit more is how I like mine. But look how great this hat is. So this is that was the camo hat, which was item number 19 for 28. This is item number 20, $34. It's our tie-dye hat in blue. So pretty, this color. And then it also came in black and brown. Item number 21 in the black and brown. Oh, look how great that is. Look how great. Love this color. So I'll show you a little closer up in the light. Great hat. Then we have item number 22 is our slouch hats. These are 38 because they have a faux pom on them. The other ones that I'm going to show you that I follow up with cost a little bit more because they're a real fur pom-pom. So the first ones, I have cream, and I have this turmeric color. So this one I was wearing today at work, the turmeric color, which is really pretty. How pretty is that? And I gotta tell you, it's very hard. These are the faux poms, but it's very hard to tell on these because they look real. Colored one. What's really great about these is that they sewed in the slouch part in the back. Almost all my slouch hats came this way this year, which I didn't even know when I was buying them. But it's really cool. You don't have to do that tuck. It's already sewn in. So then these are the item number 23 is the slouch hat with the real fur pom-pom. And those I have in a couple colors. A couple of really pretty colors. So we have black, navy, army, and garnet. So this is the army color. So pretty. You can see this is just like a little bit softer, fluffier. Really pretty. This garnet color is really a really rich color, depending on what kind of coat you have. It's go good with black. Also go good with a camel colored coat too. The navy. Love. And then black with sort of like a gray. So remember, if you buy something tonight for the Facebook Live, it's 10% off. We have next up is our Item number 2438 is our peace sign fingerless gloves. These are, I love fingerless gloves in the winter because it seems like whenever I buy the new computer gloves, I can never get them to work and I have to take my gloves off anyway, so I get so mad. These have a little bit of sparkle in them. You can see that. And these are sort of like crystals, but I really love those. So those are 38. And then I have got these really super cute mittens. Mittens! Who doesn't love a mitten? But really, with a snowstorm coming too, I just love them. We have gray, blue, and then lavender and army. So these are the gray, blue ones. Super sweet. Super sweet mittens. They are $18. Sorry. Item number 25. Gray, blue, and lavender army. Here's the lavender with the army. So cute. And then we have these totes. Pretty much we've carried them all year. They've been really great. They make really great gifts. Item number 26 is 48. We have our canvas tote bag. So we have leopard, camo, and camo pink. And so the leopard one is the new one that they added for the winter holiday season. And it's really just a great bag. So it's the canvas tote with the striped crossbody strap. It's got feet on the bottom. It's kind of just basic inside. It's got 2 pockets. It's got a snap. This really is a great size tote. So you can fit files in here. I've even put my laptop. It's just a nice weight because it's not too heavy. Makes a great gift. So that's the leopard one. And then this is the camo one that we've had all year. Again with the strap. This one I like, it's red on the inside, which I think is very cool. This is really a great all year round bag. And you really can't beat a crossbody strap because it lets you have your hands free. And then they had added, later in the year, they had added the pink. So it's got the pink strap instead of the red and pink in the front. So that is the pink crossbody. I'm gonna end up with, put my peace sign hats. Hold on. I think I'm missing something. Well, I'll go with our next up, which was our candles. And so we have item number 27 are our candles from Autumn and Violet. We have Joy, Heirloom Pumpkin, and Tipsy Mermaid. And so I'll start with the Tipsy Mermaid because for any of you that know and follow the store, oh, Jillian, you're going to love that tote. That's perfect for you. The Tipsy Mermaid is our classic scent. We carry this all year round. If anybody has smelled this one, it's coconut rum and lime. And it makes you feel like you're on the beach all year long. Joy is in this great jar, and it is cypress and bayberry. And this is your classic like Christmas tree scent, but not really overpowering. All her candles are all soy, all natural soy, no chemicals. This one is a candle that she did in October. She called it the October candle, and she did it again for the holidays. It's Heirloom Pumpkin. It's carrot, rum, and pumpkin. And this is literally probably one of my favorites. That smells delicious too. And then I know I found our peace sign hats. I don't have a number for them. You'll just have to say peace sign hats. So we did beanies, which are 28. Just a regular slip-on beanie with the peace sign. And we had that embroidered in there, which I really love. I love to just throw on a beanie, but especially that it has that, it really makes me so happy. But what makes me even happier, you have the gingerbread cupcake. Bring it right now. Oh, awesome. Is that we have seen such an outpouring of support this year from our community and our customers, who most of you have become friends. I've been in downtown Milford almost 7 years. It's almost 7 years, or it was 7 years this past September. But it's been a tough year for everybody, and we pretty much have made it through, and we're in the home stretch. And so who would have figured, at the start of this year, nobody could have. So I just really appreciate all of you. And I'm so thankful to be part of the Milford community and to have my shop and to have your support. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy New Year. And I hope to see you at the shop. If you purchase anything, I'll be in touch. I'll send you an invoice, and we'll touch base or stop by the shop. The holiday hours will be posted. I'll post them in the comments here, and then they'll also be on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you soon, okay? All right, good night, everybody. Have fun in the snow.